Hi friends, this is a short video to show you how to delete unread mails at once from Gmail inbox. Many of them might be knowing this, but most of them are not aware of this. Yes, you can delete all the unread mails at once from your Gmail inbox. This can be done using the search filter in Gmail. And I recommend doing this using your PC, as while the mobile apps does allow you to use filter in Gmail, but it won't let you select all filtered message easily. So use the following steps in this video to help you filter and delete unread emails from your Gmail inbox. For that, you have to open your Gmail account. So first I am going to show you how to delete all unread emails, which will move them to trash, which we can then delete from your trash to completely remove from your Gmail inbox. Now once you are logged into your email account, just go to more. From here just click on all email, which will list all of your emails here. So you can see here that more than 3000 emails are there in this email. Now then click on the search bar on the top, this one, the search mail. Then type in is unread. Now you will get an option here which has attachment, the last 7 days, or from me. If you don't have a choice, then just type in this keyword and then click on enter. Now you will get all the unread emails listed here. Now if you want to try filter from here, then you can have it from here. Just if you want to look for something which have attachment, then click on has attachment. Now it will show all with attachments. Again, if you want to filter it with images, PDF, or within the time frame, then you can use those functions too. Now once you have found all unread emails, just select the checkbox at the top under the mail, this one, and then click on delete. It will get deleted page wise. Now if you want to delete more unread emails at once, then again select and then click on select all messages that match this search. Now click on delete. It will ask if you want to confirm a bulk action, then click on OK. You will get a message that we have moved some conversation to trash and will do same for the remaining conversations in few minutes. So it might take little time to get it all selected and move to trash. So wait for that. So after some time, just go to more. From here, just move to trash. And from here, select all the emails and click select all 650 messages in the trash. Now click on delete forever. Click on OK. So you can see that all the messages in the trash is getting deleted. It will take some time to get it removed entirely from your trash. So wait till that time. So this is how you can remove the unread messages as a bulk from your Gmail. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.